So here's yet another way that I use AI for fun, for education, for learning more about something. So last night I made some chickpeas, and I thought, I'm curious to see the fiber content, the calorie content, and fat content, whatever. So let me share screen with you so I can show you what I am talking about. Where am I here? Okay, I'm going to share my screen. So let's go to Gemini, so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's say, what are the health benefits of chickpeas? Create a chart showing um, a comparison between chickpeas, edamame, lentils, black beans, and let's say green peas. Let's see what it comes up with. And this, I know we can Google some of this stuff, but I'm very a visual person, so I like to see like columns and graphs and charts for me, that's the quickest, visuals are the quickest way for me to um, access information. So let's see what it does. They could, it could also give us a sort of voila. Oh, that's very interesting. Okay, look at that. So chickpea, look at this. Edamame has the most protein, which we kind of knew. But anyway, fiber. Let's see. Black beans have the most fiber. That's interesting. Chickpeas, very, very cool. And that's 100 grams cooked per, excuse me, 100 grams cooked. And then the blue is the fiber content. Wow, that's excellent. So here's what it's telling us. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are highly nutritious legumes that offer a wide array of health benefits. They're a staple of the Mediterranean diet and are prized for their versatility and density of essential nutrients. And why, it's important to see the protein content is, especially if you're going toward a more vegetarian sort of diet. You do need protein in your meals. So this is one great way to know, instead of eating a piece of meat, what you could have that could replace the amount of protein grams per for your intake. So um, rich in plant-based protein. Look at that, 14.5 G. High fiber for digestive health. That's wonderful. Blood sugar regulation. Awesome. We like that. Health, heart support. Heart health support, excellent. Weight management, even better. And this is what I like too, is seeing something um, in a sort of spreadsheet. So chickpeas, edamame, lentils, black beans, calories. Which one has the most calories? Okay, I better cut back a little bit on the chickpeas, but protein, okay, edamame. Edamame is fantastic. I love edamame. Um, So here you go. So that's just yet another simple, easy way to rely on AI, excuse me, for your everyday life, Just it's so simple. Anything you want, any questions you have, just ask AI and it's just the best. It's like having a personal assistant and I love it. So anyway, I hope you found this micro lesson helpful and I'll see you the next time. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. Take care.